Learning something new should be easy and fun. Many people want to learn English for different reasons, and this channel will help you reach that goal in a practical way. Here's a tip on how to use the videos to speed up and make your learning easier. The first step is simple: read and listen at the same time. Then, pretend you are one of the characters and read their part out loud. Repeating what you heard and listening to your own voice helps a lot with memory. Next, switch roles and read the other character's part. Speaking out loud and hearing your own voice is a powerful technique to remember the content. If you spend about 1 hour a day paying attention and without distractions, practicing the dialogues and repeating the conversations, you will see a big improvement in your English. Dialogues and phrases are the best tools for memory because your brain will learn the real way to use them. If you want to speak English correctly but don't have someone to practice with, this is the best way. I believe I've convinced you of the importance of this practice, right? So, the more time you spend with these videos, the faster you will learn, no matter your age. Here on the One English channel, you will practice everyday American conversations. We choose the best topics to create easy and practical dialogues and phrases. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you want more videos to practice and learn English. So, click on one of our videos and let's get started.